Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we've got some exciting news for you as we dive into the highly anticipated smartphone from Google. Rumored to be announced in just a few days, on October 4th, 2023, this device is causing quite the buzz in the tech world. So, without further ado, let's take a deep dive into the rumored specifications of the upcoming Google smartphone. The device is expected to feature a sleek and premium design with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back, along with an aluminum frame. It's also rumored to be IP68 dust and water resistant, capable of withstanding depths of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Moving on to the display, it boasts a 6.2-inch AMOLED screen with a fast 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The resolution is set at 1080 x 2400 pixels, providing a pixel density of around 424 ppi. Plus, it features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability and an always-on display. Under the hood, this device is rumored to run on Android 14, making it one of the first devices to adopt this new version of Android. Powering it will be the Google Tensor G3 chipset built on a 4nm process. It's equipped with a unique 9-core CPU configuration, including Cortex-X3, Cortex-A715, and Cortex-A510 cores. The graphics will be handled by the powerful Immortalis G715 SMC10 GPU. In terms of memory and storage, you can expect two configurations: 128 GB with 12 GB of RAM or 256 GB with 12 GB of RAM. It also uses UFS 4.0 storage technology for faster data access. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, you'll find a dual camera system. The primary camera boasts a massive 50MP sensor with a wide f1.9 aperture, while the secondary is a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 114-degree field of view. Expect features like dual LED flash, pixel shift, auto HDR, and the ability to shoot 4K videos at 30/60 fps with gyro EIS and OIS. It's also rumored to support 10-bit HDR video capture. For all you selfie enthusiasts out there, the front camera is a 10.5MP ultra-wide sensor with an f2.2 aperture, promising fantastic group selfies and video chats. It can record 4K videos at 30/60 fps as well as 1080p at 30/60 fps. When it comes to sound, this device doesn't disappoint. It features stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need to embrace wireless audio or use USB Type-C headphones. Moving on to connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 802.11 A/B/G/N/AC/6E/7 with tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.3 NFC, and a full suite of satellite positioning systems like GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS. It's well-equipped for all your connectivity needs. Powering this device is a 4,485 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery. It supports 24W wired charging and PD3.0. Additionally, it offers 12W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Some extra features include an under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, barometer, and even a thermometer to measure your skin temperature. So, there you have it, folks. A sneak peek at the rumored Google smartphone expected to be announced on October 4th, 2023. With its impressive specs, stunning display, and unique Google Tensor G3 chipset, it's definitely a device worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for the official announcement, and until then, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.